So this is the day 3 of challenge 3. In this challenge we will make login and register system. So first we will go to the register system, and register system we will pass here CSRF token and CSRF token, and second one we will use method post, and action will be user dot make dot register. So we will can make it in route like this, and we will pass here some error like error username span dot text red 500 and pass dollar message, and copy this one and paste it here, and where we pass email, and here we pass password, and this one will be password confirmation. Okay, now go to a controller, auth controller, and make here a register and login function. So first here we will check, we will make a function make register, or create, and a create we will pass the request, and request dollar request, and dollar request we will use dollar user, dollar request has validate, and validate we will pass name as required. So this is username, not a name. Username is required. Email, and email will be email, and unique in users, and password will be required, and confirm. Then we will create a user is equal to user, we will pass create we will pass the array name dollar request has name, email dollar request his email, and password has dollar request password, and we will store this password in a hash, because a hacker can't access this password. Hash ash hash make, and use eliminate support, eliminate support facade, when your facade is come, eliminate support facade slash hash. Okay, now we will redirect return to route underscore 2, Now here we will pass user out dot login. This one is to underscore route. Save the file and make the route for that. Control CV, and this one is user dot make. Here we will pass create. Save the file and create slash user, and this one will be post function. Okay, now let register page and convert the type button to submit working properly. Now go to test it. Save the file. If I click on this, it's showing the error. The post method is not support for the route register. What's wrong here? I change to post. Make a register. Create. Here also pass post route accept. Sorry. Action. Again reload. If I click here, the username field is required, email field and password field. So let's create a user. The password is visible. We need to convert it to password. Confirmed. So it is confirmed, not confirmed. It is confirmed. Again reload. SQLite translatory column name cannot be null because sorry, this is username. Username. Reload again. Now the user creates successfully. Now we will make a login system. So now we will make a login functionality. For login functionality, just what we will make, we will using the function and login we will pass request $request, and here we will use this validation, copy and paste it here. We will remove this thing and this thing and the confirmed. After that we will use $user auth attempt. We will pass email and password. Control D $request and email. Okay, that's perfect. We will import the auth and check if $user agar use if user exists, so we will return to underscore route, and route we will pass the route name of a new speed like user not post. Else we will redirect it in return to underscore route out dot login. Go to the web.php file and web.php file, copy paste, and here we will use post user slash login, and here we will use simple user dot login and comment this thing. Control S, and now what we do, go to the login.blade.php file and set up this one. Like we will use method post action route user dot login and pass csrf token and pass some error name and spend the text at for not for 500 was dollar message. Copy this, paste here, convert to password, and here we will use password instead of text. And let's change it and register file. This one is password and also this one. Perfect. Now let's test it. If I click login button, so it will throw the error, but email is not showing. Sorry, here we pass email, not a username. Remove this one. Sorry, this is in register page, this is in login page, where here we pass email, not name. Email, and save this. Now again click, so the email is required, so fill email and also fill my password. See, I am logging successfully. Now after login, if you remember, I make here a id statically, this one. So now the time is to convert this to dynamic. We will use auth has id, just this one. So now test it, reload it, and click on it working properly by this. Because it is, why it is increasing, let me show you in a file. It is reply button, this one show all the post button, and here we perform some SQL functionality where I pass the user ID statically, so that's why it's showing, it's incrementing continuously. So it is not here. Go to post controller, and from start we will see this one. So we will pass auth has id. If I not give this, so it will it working continuously on like and dislike method. This one and this one, and the other one is now we will reload this. If I click on this again, see, it's working now, it's working properly. If I do comment, the comment is also working properly. Okay, that's perfect, really it's good. Now add the logout button. For logout button, what we will do, you know about this? Let me do, and then we will do on your end. This is the show post, this is the main content, and main content we will pass the button, this one button, show all the post, show comments, and a comment we will pass this button. This button we will use here, remove this thing, also this id, comment id, reply comment id, make, and here we will write logout and color is red. Okay, perfect. Now convert to a and write here hyphen reference route user dot logout, control s, and go to the out controller, and out controller we will just use call a function of logout out as logout function, return to underscore route, where we pass out.login. Go to the web.php file and copy and paste it, not here, copy this one and paste it down and remove all the thing and use here logout, sorry, also here log out, user not user, we will use out.logout. So now it's working. If I click on logout button, so I will redirect here, and if I go to the beat post here, it's throwing the errors, because if I click here it's not incrementing because it throw the errors. So for fixing that, we will use here some middlewares. Copy this and route group. We will use here middleware, group middleware. We will pass the auth. Save. If I see login is not defined, so go to the authenticate.php file. Here we will use out.login. Now reload it, so it will redirect it here. So this is a basic authentication system and the day 3 working.